Hey guys, so I bought this Apple clock on Amazon, and actually we call it a potato clock, but anyway, so that's why I bought two potatoes instead of apples, which is depicted on this picture. But yeah, it's a cool experiment to do. I never did it as a kid, and I always saw it on TV, so I figured I'll just do it now. And it's never too late, right? Anyway, so I've got two potatoes, and in the package that I bought was two zinc plates, two copper plates, and a couple of wires, and this clock. So as you can see, it doesn't show anything, so yeah. Let's just take away the package. Okay. So I'm gonna start off, just first of all, put one of these in there. Let's see here. So what I'm reading is connect the black wire from the LCD clock to one of the zinc plates, then connect the red wire from the LCD clock to one of the pieces of the copper plate. All right, and now it works. Cool. The experiment worked. Now I just need another like 2 tons of potatoes to power up my house. Right, this was this experiment. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Till next time.